Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to enable Draw B to turn on flashlight even when the screen is off in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the convenient tools, okay, click this. And okay guys, here in convenient tools, okay, you can see the gesture and motion, okay, click this. And okay guys, here in gesture and motion, okay, you can see the screen off gesture, okay, you'll have to do is click this. You can see the screen off gesture, and on the right side you can see the switch button. Okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button. And okay guys, now here you can see the Draw B to turn on flashlight. And okay guys, you'll have to do is enable the switch button. And okay guys, note, unavailable when your phone is too hot. And okay guys, okay, we can turn on the Draw B to turn on flashlight. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled Draw B to turn on flashlight in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, we can try it, okay. Okay guys, okay, I draw B when the screen is off. And okay guys, the flashlight is on. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled the Draw B to turn on the flashlight in your Realme 5 mobile phone even the screen is off. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.